We're seeing data grow as most enterprises are. The challenge, though, is changing from having centralized storage to having data sprawl. So no longer is the data just on the SAN and on the storage platforms, but also going out there into the cloud, on endpoints, and also onto everything else from USB sticks to Dropbox and other products like Box. It's a really big challenge for us because we can't block all those solutions and we wouldn't want to. We're not police, we're here to enable our users to get the best out of their productivity. So we're trying to find a solution to put in place to allow users to share their information, but in a secure and controlled manner. So we know where it is, who's using it, and where it's going. So we found Druva does a really good job. We looked at several different products as part of this trial, and we found that the feedback from the users was Druva just works. It sits in the background, and the feedback we had was it's forgotten about. They don't even realize it's there until they have a problem or they need to restore a file, and then it's there to help them and to protect their data. From an IT point of view, the central console and the central management means that it's very straightforward for us to manage without throwing a lot of resources or a lot of time at it. They provide a really good solution to our endpoint data problems. Druva themselves have acted very much as a partner to us, and we've worked very closely with the development teams and the support teams on our ideas and our suggestions for improvement. And very often we see those in the end product and see them as an enhancement that really helps our partnership. So for us, Druva has approached us as a partner rather than just seeing us as a customer. They've engaged with us and listened to our feedback to make sure that we get the best out of their product and also that our features are included in future releases of their product. So the pain points that we saw before was users would do anything with their data. So they'd perhaps back it up by copying their whole laptop up to a file share, or they'd use USB keys or other cloud-based products like Dropbox, etc. to provide the backups. So by putting Druva in place, we now have a controlled backup environment. All the data, we know where it is, we know that the backups are successful, and we can control and monitor the data within the organization. So I think Druva has enabled us to free up resources and time quite a bit. With the centralized console, the ease of deployment, and the overall control, it means that we don't have administrators worrying about USB keys and where the data is. We can use the central console to see the snapshot of the organization and our backup status.